Question number 32. A question is given, followed by two statements, first and second. Consider the question and the statement. Age of each of P and Q is less than 100 years. You have two person, P and Q. One is P, another is Q. Their age is greater than 10 or less than 100. Less than 100. Greater than 10 and less than 100. Greater than 10 or less than 100. If you interchanges the digit of the age of P, the number represent the age of Q. See, this information tells us that their ages is a two-digit number, and a two-digit number can be written in this way: 10A plus B. 10A plus B. And if you interchanges the age of, sorry, if you interchanges the digit of the age of one person, you will get another number that will be the age of another person. So here is the age of first person, here is the age of second person. So statement first says that the age of P is greater than age of Q. The age of P is greater than Q. See, the age of P is equal to, see, if I take a statement first, if I take a statement first, what the age of P can be? It can be from 11 to 99. 11 to can be 11, it can be 12, it can be 13, dash 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 dash, or 99. What the age of Q? It can be 11, it can be 12, but we will take only those values. It can be, matlab, it can be, we will take those values, we will take those values in which P is greater than Q. P is greater than Q. And if I interchanges the value of, I interchanges the value of what? If I interchanges the value of P, I will get the age of Q. See, here I have to take P greater than Q. I have to take P is, sorry, the number, the age of P is greater than the age of Q. P is greater than Q. P is greater than Q. See, if I take P equal to 54, then Q is equal to 45. Q is equal to 45. Here P is greater than Q. If I have P is equal to 63, then it is equal to 36. If I have 72, then it is 27. So 54 is greater than 45. 45, 45. So I have, if it is 81, then I have 18. So I can take four ages of P and Q to satisfy this statement. The age of P is greater than Q. See, here age of P is greater than Q. 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 If you interchanges their values, if you interchanges their values, if you interchanges their values, see, there are numerous values. There are numerous values. See, if you take 52, then it will be 25. There are numerous values. If you take it 51, then it will be 15. So there are numerous values. These values comes in my mind quickly. I have written them. There are many values. Start from what? 15, 51. See, they will start from where? 51. Because if I write P equal to 50, then Q will be 0.5, and 0.5 is not a, because I cannot take 0.5 as the age of Q, because both the ages are greater than 10. Both the ages are greater than 10. Both the ages are greater than 10. It is clearly mentioned here that they are greater than 10 or less than 100 or less than So what I can take? I can take the value of P as 51, then Q will be 15, the value of P equal to 52, 25. I can take numerous values. So statement first is completely failed. This statement is completely failed to answer the question. I will come to the statement 2. 2 says that sum of their ages. If I add, this is the age of first person. So suppose this one is the first person and this one is the second person. I am not writing them P and Q. This one is the first, this one is the second. If I add, see, 10A plus A is equal to 11A, B plus 10B is equal to 11B. If I take 11 common, then what I will get? A plus B. This is the sum of their ages. It is equal to 11 by 6. Sum of their ages is 11 by 6 times their difference. 11 by 6 their 11 by 6 times their difference. And what their difference is? I have to either I will subtract this one from this one or this one from this one. If I subtract this one from this one, what I get? 9 A minus B. A minus B. See, 11 and 11 will be cancelled out. So I have A plus B upon A minus B is equal to, see, 11 and 11 will be cancelled out. So 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. It will be 3 by 2. If I will solve it, what I have? I have A is equal to 5. A is equal to 5 or B equal to 1. A upon B equal to 5 upon 1. A upon B is equal to 5 upon 1. It means that if the age of a person, see, if I put A equal to 5 here and B equal to 1 here, then what I will get here? I will get here 51. If 51 is the age of one person, then 15 is the age of another person. But I have to tell you the number that represent the age of Q, but I cannot tell. This one can be the age of P, this one also can be the age of P, this one is the age of Q, this one also be the age of Q. So statement 2 also fails, because statement 2 clearly tells me that if the age of one person is 51, then the age of another person will be 50. So if I add both the statements, then it first statement says that P is greater than Q. P is greater than Q. It means that P is equal to 51, because 51 is greater than 15 and Q is equal to 15. The age of Q is 15. So the question can be answered by using both the statement together, but cannot be answered using either statement alone. So option C will be the correct answer. Next. So we have completed all the questions asked by UPSC in CSAT 2024. We have completed all the questions of UPSC CSAT 2024